Alrighty, I got a really short update for you guys today because I forgot to put it in my construction update. When I woke up this morning and my video auto-uploaded, I went to go back and watch it, and I was like, all the new track pieces aren't in the video. So here I am recording a video at 10 a.m. in the morning to show you guys the new track segment. So as I discussed in a previous video, track segments are starting to arrive a lot quicker now at a lot faster of a pace. So you're going to start to see maybe 2 to 4 shipments a week. Hopefully that pace continues because that's a really good, healthy sign. As you see here, they've added another construction trailer as well. That is for Rutherford. But you can see there a whole other 2 shipments of track and supports have arrived. They are organizing them in a way where a truck, crane, or scissor lift can go in and drive in between these and lift segments from earlier shipments out and carry them out with ease to the job site. So that's exciting. And yeah, just wanted to show you guys more track shipments have arrived. We're at 28 pieces so far, not including supports. And yeah, vertical is going to start when vertical starts at this point. But yeah, next week is holidays, so they most likely will not be working next week. Anyways, have a good one. Bye.